my channel. So today I am doing a wash and go for you, and I decided to do a wash and go with one brand of products. I wasn't actually going to film this, but then when I was choosing my products to use, I realized that I've got 4 different products from one brand that I wanted to try out all together to do a one brand wash and go. So I thought I would film it to give you my view on all the products and how they work together. So that's what I did. So if you would like to find out how they did, then please just keep watching. Yeah, so if you are interested in what products I use to wash and deep condition with, I used the Maui Moisture shampoo that I've used in a few videos. So this is the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fiber Shampoo. And then I have recently stopped conditioning and I just go straight onto deep conditioning because I do pre-pooing now, so I don't think it's necessary to do pre-poo and a conditioner. So I just pre-poo, then I shampoo, and then I do a deep conditioner. So this is the deep conditioner that I used. I think this is only available in the UK, I'm not quite sure, but I got this when I was in the UK. It's the Naughty to the Rescue Intense Moisture Treatment. It's really good for dry hair. So without further ado, I'm going to start with this wash and go. So the products I'm going to use are the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter, the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, and the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I'm just going to separate off my hair, and I always do 4 sections. I just find it's the easiest way for me. And so I'm going to start with the leave-in conditioner. Start off with that much. Actually, this is the first time using this one on clean hair. I did use it to refresh a style in the week, but this is the first time I've actually used it on clean hair. So yeah, it feels really nice actually. It's very, it's got a lot of slip, which is good. My hair is already detangled, but the comb definitely glides through it really easily. And it leaves my hair looking quite defined and moisturized. It feels really moisturizing actually. Yeah, I like that. It feels a little bit foamy. That's interesting. I don't think that's a positive or a negative, but it's just the way it is. So now I'm going to use the Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter, and I'm going to use this to lock in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to use a small amount of this because it's quite a thick product. I've used this quite a few times already, so I know what it's like. It's a really, I wouldn't call it a light butter, but it's like it's not a thick butter. Like, it goes through the hair quite easily. It's not that heavy. It doesn't weigh the hair down. Put a tiny bit more on because I just think I just want to seal the ends a bit more. Comb that as well. Now for the Curl La La. This is a custard, so you could just stop here and just use the custard. And custards are kind of between a cream and a gel. I really love the smell of this. It smells like blackcurrant or some kind of berry. Is it blackcurrant or berry? I don't know. It smells like Ribena. I'm not going to comb that through. I don't comb my styling products through because I want my curls to clump. Now I'm going to use the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. You could actually just stop at the custard because that is a styling product. So if you don't want too much hold, or you don't want your hair to be weighed down, or you want the more kind of fluffy, frizzy, like volumized look on day one, then maybe you would prefer to stop at the custard. But I'm going to add a gel because I want this to last for a few days. And it says it's elongating, so I did use this for something, I can't remember what, but I can't remember noticing any elongating. Oh wow, is it me or is that flaking? That's flaking. There's like white pieces. I wouldn't have expected that to happen with the same brand of products. Okay, now I'm debating whether to just leave it like that or use the Denman brush. I like the Denman brush because it does help define my curls, but it also gives me a bit of shrinkage. I'm gonna use the brush because I haven't used it for a while. So I'm gonna separate this. That looks good actually. Yeah, it definitely flakes. That custard definitely does not mix well with the gel. I guess they are different lines. So that's the first side done. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed to see the white flakes. I'm hoping that they're going to disappear when it dries. Fingers crossed. So I don't know if this is going to dry before I go to bed or not. It might actually not, in which case I'll have to show you the result in the morning. Whatever the case, I will sleep in my normal 3 scrunchies, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, and I have a satin pillowcase, and then I'll show you the result in the morning. Some thoughts about the application process. So all the products went on really well together, and then when I got to the last product, the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel, it kind of went really watery. I'm really not sure why that happened, because it felt really creamy and moisturizing until I added the gel, and then it went watery and smushy. So, and also I got those white flakes. They're not as bad as I first thought they were going to be, and I'm hoping that when it's dry they'll kind of go away. But yeah, as I said, it kind of went watery when I added the gel. The weird thing is that the actual consistency of the gel is actually really thick. As you can see, it's not a wet gel at all. It's really thick and kind of like, it's like a solid kind of gel, as you can see. It might not be a bad thing. I guess we'll see when we'll get to the final result, but I'm just letting you know how the application was for me. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you when it's dry. Hi guys, so this is the next day. It didn't quite dry last night. It was still a little bit damp when I went to bed. So I went to bed with the 3 scrunchies that I mentioned. I did them a bit tighter than usual, 2 at the front and then 1 at the back, and that just helped to stretch it out overnight. But yeah, this is the final result. I'm actually really happy with it. I'm glad I did the Denman brush at the end, because it really has given me some nice definition on the ends. So I like the products. I think they worked really well together. As I said yesterday, the gel kind of did make it feel a little bit wet and sloppy, but I don't think there's any sign of that today. Like, it just feels moisturized and not too crunchy at all. I feel like that gel gives you a really good hold. This is day 2 and I still have a lot of definition, but it is not too hard. My hair feels really, really soft. You obviously can't feel it on the camera, but maybe if I just do a bit of that, then you can see what I mean. It has a lot of movement as well, which is really nice. Oh, as for the elongation, because the gel is supposed to be an elongating gel, I'm not sure about that. I mean, I think I said this when I was applying it, that I think that's just a little bit of a gimmick, really. The white flakes that I could see yesterday from combining the custard and the gel, this morning they're all gone. I can't see any flakes. That's about it for my comments on the products and how they work and everything. That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.